This is an actual story, an actual event. It's not a story. It really happened. It happened in Paraguay, South America. There's a man, we'll call him Pedro, who was out and about in Paraguay, and one of the people he met was a lady who had been a doctor, a medical doctor, and they had a discussion, and she asked her a while. She said to him, "What are you trying to do with your life? I mean, you seem to be a very intelligent person. How can you be involved with the Hare Krishnas?" And she went on to say that I'm from the northern part of Argentina, which is contingent to Paraguay. And she said, and we've been experiencing a very severe drought for the last year, and I don't know what to do, and I don't know how you can even solve this. So then, as he was telling the story, he goes back to the temple, and as he was just entering the temple, he felt a big raindrop falling on his shoulder, on his left shoulder. And then it started to rain very heavily, and it rained all night. And then it so happened, the next day, or shortly thereafter, he met the same woman on the streets of the same city, and she was completely changed. She said, "Why did you tell me what you told me?" And he said that I told her something that I'd heard or read about rain being the saving grace of all vegetables and all life. And then she said, "Well, after I left you, I went back to my home, and there was rain coming down. So I think that you have some special power to see the future." And the end of the story, it has a happy ending. This woman became an initiated devotee. Hare Krishna.